Carolina until 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:21 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Charlotte, Matthews, Mid-Hill, Pineville, South Park Mall, the Plaza, the Arboretum, Freedom Park, and Denton Valley. Flooding of Ferguson Drive is likely by 2 to 4 inches of floodwaters as McMullen Creek exceeds its banks up and downstream of the Anderson Drive culvert. Flooding is low-lying areas. When it is safe to do so, please report flooding or threatening rules to the National Weather Service Green News by calling toll-free 1-800-267-7101, posting on their Facebook page, or via Twitter using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the specific location where impacts occurred and the depth of flooding observed. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the